but I gave him the dick.
Megan Thee Stallion on the
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for Galveston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near South Belt Ellington to 6 miles northeast of Bunny, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near southern Pasadena, League City, Friendswood, Alvin, Santa Fe, Webster, Clear Lake, southeastern South Belt Ellington, Nassau Bay, and Hillcrest around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Texas City, Dickinson, Southern Seabrook, Hitchcock, Kemah, Taylor Lake Village, El Lago, Clear Lake Shores, and Kemah Boardwalk around 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Lamarck and Backcliff around 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Chocolate Bay Oil. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my yard.